Hello everybody, now we are going to see how to upload, storage and share documents in Aras Innovator. First of all, click in Documents options which is located in the table of contents. Now click on the sub-file document and click on New. This is the template of documents. In the top of the template you can type all the characteristics and information related to the document that you are going to upload. First of all, we need to specify our work group. We are going to do it clicking here. In this window, we are going to look up the code of our group by typing the code here. Once we have found it, click on it and then click on the check button. Now we are going to do the same procedure with the reviewer group, which is the people who is going to grade our document. Once we have done it, we are going to choose the project in which we are working. In document number field, we are going to type the code of the document. In the name field, we are going to type the name of the activity or the document that we are going to upload. You can also specify the type of document that you are going to upload by clicking here. Unfold the document option and select the right option. In this case, I'm going to select miscellaneous and click on the check button. Authoring tools allows you to specify the software of the document. In this case, I'm going to work with Microsoft Word. Now, if you want to upload a document, you just have to click here on New. In this window, we allow to look up the document in your computer. Click on it and then click in Open. Finally, in order to save it, just click in this button, which will allow you to save, unlock and close the document. Now the document is stored in the system. If you or any other member of your group want to edit it, we just have to click here and right click and select Edit. Click on the document and right click and select Checkout for File. Once you do this, the system downloads the document to your working directory in order that you can make change on this. In this case, my working directory is the desktop. So that I look up the document in my working directory, I open it, and then I can modify it. save the change, I close the document, and then I come back to the system. Step on the document, right click on it and select Checking for File. Click on Accept. And then the document is updated on the system. This procedure must be done each time you want to edit a document which is stored in the system. The document functions allows to see and work on a document in real time and have control over the versions and revisions carried out on the document. The document passes through a series of states that indicates the stage of work of the document. Such states are preliminary, that is set while the team is working on the document; in review, that is set while professors are reviewing it once the document has been delivered; and released, that is set when the document has been approved. It is important to note that the permissions over the document change according to each state, so that while the document is labeled as preliminary, like our document, all the team group can see and edit the document, but once it has been promoted to in review or released, no one can make on it. Each time the cycle is completed and is edited, the cycle starts once again, and the document passes from revision A to B and so on. Although the system shows the last version of the document, it is possible to have access to all the versions by clicking on the drop-down menu located on the Ball tool. Up to this point, the current version of the document is shown. Release option shows only the versions that has been promoted to release on any file. Latest shows the last version of the document. And finally, Effective allows to set the date of the document that you want to see. If you select Effective, click on the calendar icon and select the date of the document that you want to see. And then you have just to select the Run Search button. Once you have done it, you can see the document on the system that was uploaded on that date.